Hi guys, welcome to this video. So guys, in this video we'll be creating a multi-agent system with the above Phidata. So guys, for this first of all you have to set up your environment, and how to set up I already mentioned in the readme file. First of all, create an environment with the above Python 3.12, then activate the environment, then you have to install all the requirements. And here is the requirement guys, I have mentioned all of the requirements. Okay, you can see that. So after that, what you have to do, you have to you have to create a file. So I'll create it as, let's say, multi agent. Okay, multi agents.py. Let's say this is my file name, and here let me import all the necessary library I need. So first of all, I need py agents, py.agent import agent. Then I need grok model. So py.model dot grok import grok model. It should be capital. Okay, then I need duck.go search tool. Okay, so from py dot tools dot duck.go import duck.go. Okay, then I also need y finance tool. Okay, why finance tool? Because we'll be creating multi agents. One agents will try to perform the search operation over the web, and another agents will try to search operation over the stock market. Okay, that's why. So py dot tools dot um, y finance import y finance tools. Okay, this one. Now let me import this load env from .env import load env. Then I will load my grok api key. Okay, and inside this env you have to mention your grok api key, and where you will get, just go to the playground of the grok. Here you will see the api key. Just try to create api key and mention here. Okay, so after that, what I have to do guys, I have to create my agent. So the first agents I'm going to create the web search agent. So web search agent. So agent. Okay, so it will take some parameter. I think you know that. First of all, it will take the name of the agents. This is the name. Then it will take the description of the agents. This is the description. Okay, you can see this is the agents for searching content. Okay, from the web. I think I showed you how to create the web search agent, right? You already know that. Then the model. So these are the parameter you have to mention. So the model, then tool, then instruction. Okay, then show tools, markdown, and debug. And here I'm using DuckDuckGo for the search tool, and model is equal to I'm using llama 3.3 70b versatile model. Okay, so this is my web search tool I have created. Now I'll be creating another agents for the financial search operation over the stock market. So for this, I think you know that we created one financial agents previously. Let's copy the agent as it is. So we'll try to merge both of the agents, and we'll try to create a multi-agent system. Okay, this is the idea. So this agent guys, okay, I can use, I think yeah, so let me just verify financial agents. Okay, so this one is fine. Okay. So this is fine, I think. Now what I will do guys, I'll create a final agents, and I'll try to integrate both of the agents together. Okay, so for this, let's create a team. So agent, let me zoom, underscore team is equal to agent. Inside that, there is a parameter called team. Inside team, you have to mention your agent. So first of all, I created the web search agent. Then the second agent, I created the finance agents. Okay, both I'll try to mention. Then the next one, you have to give the model instruction. That means the remaining parameter. Okay, whatever you had, these are the parameter you have to give. So once it is done, now let's call the agent. So this is my agent team dot print response. Inside that, let's give a prompt. So here I will give the same prompt, I think you remember. I will give this particular prompt, and here parameter I will give stream is equal to true. Now let me just ask the question. So Python multi-agents.py. Now guys, you can see that it is referring that tools, and it is searching real time over the internet and over the stock data, and it is giving you the response. So here we have created multi-agents, that's why the time is a little bit high, you can see. I can see this is the detailed response I got, but the previous response I think you saw only the financial agents, it was just a table. But here it is also showing you the table as well as the explanation, because we have created two agents. One agent is searching over the internet and it is getting all the information. Other agents will let's say extract the real-time stock data. Okay, I hope you got it. Now here you can give any kinds of, let's say, commands. Okay, any kinds of, let's say, prompt regarding the financial information regarding the stock. Okay, you will be able to get the response. So I hope guys, you liked this particular project, multi-agent system. So we learned how to create the websites, we learned how to create the financial, we also learned how we can integrate both of them and create a multi-agent system. Okay, and one of the amazing library, this Phidata, you can export, you can go to the documentation. So they have given lots of things. Okay, you can check one by one. With that guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.